Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips video on recovering all the data from your Snapchat account. This includes your chat history, story history, login attempts, and everything else. Let's begin. Open your Snapchat app and then open the settings. Scroll down until you find My Data and tap on that. On this page, you can request Snapchat to send you all of the data connected to your account. Basically, a history of everything you've ever done. Hit Submit Request and Snapchat will start compiling the data into a downloadable file. Check your email for a link to download the data. You will need to log in to your Snap account within the web browser to continue. You can now download the zipped file of your data. It's better to look at this on a PC really, but it can also be done on your phone. Unzip the folder once it's downloaded and you can open up your data and have a look around. As you can see, you can look through everything from your search history to your location history and everything in between. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks in the future.